Coming up on episode 2, how this one bean has a connection with depression and just might be the answer to taking back control. Hi there, welcome to I Ate Plant-Based for Mental Health Food Vlog episode 2, featuring thiamine, in layman terms also pinto beans or B12. Before we begin, if you would like to see more videos like this or be notified of upcoming videos, please hit the subscribe button below or hit the bell and you'll be notified for upcoming videos. According to one of the European archives of psychiatry and clinical neuroscience, I quote, "Because thiamine deficiency can cause irritability and depressive symptoms, researchers reason thiamine may also help reduce depression." So this week on the episode, we're gonna have pinto bean soup, and then the main feature, of course, is the pinto beans, and you'll also find out what other ingredients I included in this video. Alright, so I sliced the potatoes and then taken the yellow onion, sliced the yellow onion, and we'll cut those and dice those. I also cut and dice the tomatoes and coined carrots, as you can see on the stove there. So we'll add that to the pot. We got our diced tomatoes, and again the sliced coined carrots, and the cubed potatoes. And this is just a veggie broth, so I added a cup. Pinto beans, the feature for this week. And testing it out, of course, and seeing how that tastes. And ready for the week.